Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Michigan. Firstly, open any of the web browser. And in the top there's this address bar. You need to type down michigan.gov and you need to enter it. Once inside this homepage here, you need to go to this online services in the top. So from here, from the online services, you need to select the search here in the top and type down ticket and select enter. And from here, select this ticket payment system. From here, you need to go to this next. So over here, what you need to do is you need to select your country and the code. And from here, type down your last name and the ticket case. Or you can also search by your last name and date of birth, the driver license number, or the license plate. And after that, simply select search here. And you can select a ticket and review the amount due. And you can also pay with a credit card and you can save a confirmation or receipt. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.